I'm up bright and early because I have a telehealth visit with my doctors. This is one of my prenatal appointments, and this is actually the first one that you guys are seeing on the vlog, which is kind of funny, I guess. This will be something that definitely will be cool to look back on. Oh my god, guys, my voice is so raspy because I just woke up. My appointment is at 10 and it's 9:50, so hopefully it sounds a little bit normal in the next 10 minutes. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys, this is what it looks like. The doctor comes up here. I'm in a little corner, just waiting now. Here is my outfit. Here is my stomach. I haven't done a belly shot in a few days, it feels like, but I have on full length leggings right now because I'm having trouble finding things that actually fit me comfortably. So these barely, like, these are no support at all, and my shirt is kind of like, if the wind blows you'll see my stomach, which I don't really care obviously, but it's kind of uncomfortable. So today's goals, I have a few things I want to do today. First, I have to go to UPS and drop this off because I ordered this from Amazon. It's an external hard drive. I was having troubles with my laptop, but I've resolved them and I don't need this anymore, and this was like 60 bucks, so I want my money back. That's one. Two, I want to go to Ulta because I'm basically out of bio oil and they sell it there. I don't feel like waiting for it from Amazon, and plus I read one review that said it was fake, so it freaked me out a little bit. So I'm going to go to Ulta. Three, I want to go to Boston Market because I really want a chicken pot pie, and there's one that's like a few stores down from Ulta. And four, I want to go to maybe Marshall's or something and see if I could find some maybe oversized tees or something to fit over my belly, because like I said, it's been tough trying to find clothes that fit, but I don't want to buy any maternity clothes. I only have 9 weeks left, so that doesn't make any sense to me. And the good thing is it's summertime, so I can wear like shorts and stretchy shorts and things like that. But that's what we got going on right now. I'm getting like so many packages, it's crazy. But yeah. Oh my god, there's another one outside. I don't know what it is, but it's not that heavy. Got done at UPS. Gonna head to Ulta now. I don't know why I procrastinate to do things so bad, because I've been meaning to send that out for weeks now, and it literally took me less than 3 minutes to just go in and drop it off. But whatever, let's go to Ulta. I just went through it, guys. First of all, I went to Ulta to find the bio oil. Finally found it, but it took me forever. I couldn't find an associate that worked there that wasn't at the register, so I just was like, I'll just find it myself. But it literally took me about 15 minutes to find it, not even kidding. But I finally got it, and that was the only thing that I grabbed. I got a bigger one this time, and I got to use the coupon, which was nice. The $3.50 off of 15 or whatever. Then I went into Marshall's because I said I wanted to find clothes that I don't have to keep pulling my shirt down for, and they had absolutely nothing. First of all, clothes wise, it was all either crop tops or fall clothes, and so that was making me mad. Then I went to the baby department naturally, and I found a pack of velvet hangers for her, which were only $7-8, which is great because the ones on my Amazon registry that I actually just removed, I believe they were $25 versus $16 for $50. So I removed them from my registry. I went to go purchase them. The line was absolutely ridiculous. I'm telling you, like, it was so long, it was wrapping around the store, but I'm like, all right, whatever, I'm gonna be patient. I usually have a lot of patience, but I think I'm hungry, and Liam just pointed that out because I just got off the phone with him. But the couple behind me, actually, every time I took one step forward, they would take two. And I wanted to turn around and curse them out, but they were speaking a different language, so I don't even know if they would understand me or what. But it was so annoying. They were literally breathing down my back. So then by the time I looked up and realized that the family a few spots in front of me had made it nowhere in the line, I was just like, you know what, F it, I'm not doing this. There's so many Marshalls around me that don't have lines like that. So I'm just, yeah, over it. Anyway, I'll find them another time. My food from Boston Market is ready. I don't know if you can see it right there, but I'm excited and I'm about to go pick it up. I don't know what it is about today, but I just keep forgetting to vlog. I've been home for a long time now, and I got some frozen yogurt from Menchie's after I got Boston Market. So I ate the Boston Market, not all of it. I ordered so much because I was so hungry. I felt so bad for a little baby. But then I stopped at Menchie's because I haven't had them in a long time. And I was just freaking out about my FMLA, FMLA forms because I got them filled out by the doctor. So I was like, I thought I lost them. So I thought I had to get them resent to me and filled out again, which would have been really super annoying. But other than that, about to eat some of this now. Liam also brought me home some chè. I don't know if you guys remember what chè is, but it's Vietnamese dessert. It's like a drink type of thing. So I got a lot of sweets. I'm about to go downstairs and bother him, see what he's doing, see if he wants some frozen yogurt. Oh, hi.
Hey.
What are you doing? Looking at bikes?
Yeah. Just Ty got one for $150.
You found one?
He did. He bought it.
Dang, are you jealous?
Yeah, a little bit.
Dang.
He got his own bike.
I finally did something that I said I was going to do, which is put away some, well, fold the laundry. Right now I'm about to edit my video for the day. It's about 10 o'clock, so I want to do it now before it gets too late. I'm going to put the clothes away, clean the room up a little bit, and should be good. Believe it or not, this is a pile of all mismatched socks. And also, believe it or not, I'm picking them up. Surprise, surprise. I'm actually cleaning like I said I would. And yet again, another shitty vlog, another boring ending. I'm so sorry guys, but some days it's just hard to create good content when I'm not doing anything. Especially for like what, 45 days now? 45, oh my god, 45 straight days of vlogging. Wait, what's today? Wow, I'm actually super proud of myself. I'm not going to stop here though. I have pretty exciting things coming up. I don't know when I'm going back to work, as stated previously, but until then, I'm going to keep vlogging or putting up videos. Also guys, I decided that I think I'm going to stop vlogging at the end of July, and then after that just create or upload pregnancy content, possibly twice a week or maybe 3 times a week. I want to do like baby hauls and nursery tours and things like that. So I don't think, or maybe I'll still vlog throughout the week and then just make that into one video. That way I can just put like the highlights of every week and it's not just me sitting on my couch or laying in bed every day. But yeah, I think that's what my mind thinks is a good idea. What did I just say? I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys had a great night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it if you did. I'll be back tomorrow for some more content, so make sure you come back and check it out. But until then, I'll talk to you guys later.